See, Nana, so the next topic we have write the opposites of the following words. So they gave some words. For this we should write opposite words. You know this. Now write down. So tell me the first one. Mother. Mother opposite father. Mother, father. And next one, refuse. Refuse opposite accept. Refuse, accept. Refuse means not accept, not willing. So opposite accept. Problem. Problem. For this opposite solution. Problem, solution. And next one, ordinary. For this opposite word, extraordinary. Extraordinary. Okay, ma. Next one, earn. Earn. Then spend. Earn, spend. So these are the opposite words. Mother, father. Refuse, accept. Problem, solution. Ordinary, extraordinary. Earn, spend. So these are the opposite words. Note it down. Sima, so the next we have in this time to listen. So what you can listen here? Your teacher will read out the rhyming words from the lesson. So here I'll read out all these rhyming words from the lesson and listen to them carefully and color the bricks which have words from the lesson with the same color. So here I'll read out the rhyming words. And now you should tell me whatever the words we have in the lesson, and that all the words you should give the same color. Don't take different colors, take only one color and give the same color to them. Okay, ma? Now, so see this one. Food, good. Food, good. What do we have in the lesson? Food or good? What do we have? Yes, that is food. So then color it. So here I am just circle it. You must color it. Okay, na? Food, good. So food is the answer. Next one, wage, sage. So wage, sage. Which one we have in the lesson? Yes, wage, wages. So that's why wage you round off, color it. Wage you color it. Same color for the food and wage, same color. Next one, village, mileage. Village, mileage. So which one do we have in the lesson? Village. So Palampur village, na? So color this one. Same color. And next one, baggage, luggage. Baggage, luggage. So what do we have in the lesson? Very good, luggage. So color this one. And next one, notorious, furious. Notorious, furious. Which one? Very good, notorious. Bola was a notorious child. Na? Color this. So here food, say, wage, village, luggage, notorious. All these words should be in the same color. Same color. Okay, Nana? Clear this one? Yes, do it fast. Do that one. Yes, Seema. So grammar part. So we have completed the composition and remaining grammar part from the lesson. Now general topic, that is grammar part here. It's a time to learn the grammar. So what do we have? So that is about verb. Verb. So verbs, parts of speech, you got noun, pronoun, verb, like that you have learned. But in the tenses, so these verb forms we have. What are those? There are 4 forms of verbs. There are 4 forms of verbs. 4 forms of verb. So what are those 4 forms? See this. So first one we call it present form of the verb. That we call it V1. Present form of the verb we call it V1. Past form of the verb we call it V2. And past participle. Past participle, not future, Nana. That is the time. Present, past, future, that is the time. But here verb differences. Verb classified into 4 types. Those are present, past, past participle and present participle. Past participle and present participle. Like this we have 4 forms. Present form we call it V1, past form we call it V2, present participle we call it V3, past participle we call it V1 plus ing. Present participle we call it V1 plus ing. For this part, if we add ing, then it will be the present participle. Total 4 forms. Present one is V1, past V2, past participle V3, and present participle is V1 plus ing. Present participle is V1 plus ing. Clear this one? And now, so for this examples if we take it. So for this examples if you write it the same. So one sentence I am giving. So the same you write answer. Tell me answers. I do my work. I do my work. So what is the verb in this? Yes, do. Right? Tell me all these in the past tense. What do you get? What do we get? I do did. So I did my work. I did my work. Okay. And what is the V3 form for this did? So do did done. So for this we should write I have done my work. I have done my work. And so here done is the V3 form. And I am doing my work. ing form also we have na. So this is called ing form, V1 plus ing. I am doing my work. So that is also we should write doing here. So right, understood? Do is the V1, did V2, done V3, doing, do plus ing, doing, it is present participle, V1 plus ing. Right, 4 forms of the verbs, did you understand? Now, first tell me 3 forms of the verbs for some words. So now that is a V1, V2 and V3 forms for some words you tell me. I'll ask you one by one. All of you tell me the 3 forms. So first one, ask. Ask. So what are the 3 forms? V1 is the ask and V2 is the asked. Asked and V3 also asked. Ask, asked, asked. Okay. Asked your pronunciation. Okay. But correct pronunciation asked. Okay. So ask, asked, asked. And next one, cry. Cry. So what do we get? Cried, cried, cry, cried, cried. V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. Right, Nana? And next one we have say. Say. Say, said, said. Say, said, said. V1, V2, V3. Right, Nana? Give. Give. Give V2 form, gave. V3 form, given. So these from the book. These are from the book. I'll give some examples. Tell me answers. Your very easy one. Eat. Eat 3 forms. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Sing, sang, sung. Sing, sang, sung. Okay, Nan. So all of you note down these in your book. V1, V2, V3 forms. V1, V2, V3 forms. Then we can do the some more examples. So first you complete, all of you complete this. Write it in your book, all of you, and then we can do some exercise on this. Yes, Seema. So complete the following. What do we have? So just we have completed that V1, V2, V3 forms, how to write now. So now try for these. So V1 form we have given and V2, V3 you need to find it. So what is this? Teach. So I am teaching. I taught a lesson yesterday, right? So teach, taught. Taught spelling T-A-U-G-H-T. Think, thought also we get, that is the T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Here T-A-U-G-H-T. Teach, taught, taught. So V2, V3 both are same here. Teach, taught, taught. And next one cut. Cut is V2, V3 also same. No change in the V1, V2, V3. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. So these two words never change in the V1, V2, V3 forms. Present, past and present past participle. Next, run. Run we have run, ran, run. Run, ran, run. Okay ma. So swim. So swim, swam, swum. Swim, swam, swum. Okay ma. V2, V3. And next one learn. So for the learn, V2, V3 both are same. Learnt, learnt. L-E-A-R-N-T. Learn, learnt, learnt. Okay. Teach, taught, taught. Cut, cut, cut. Run, ran, run. Swim, swam, swum. Learn, learnt, learnt. Right. So like this V1, V2, V3. And let's do some examples on V1 plus ing. Next we can do the examples on V1 plus ing. Okay ma. Note it down and then we can do. Yes, see children, so next what do we have? Adding ing to V1. So V1, V2, V3 we have completed. V1 plus ing is there na? That we can do it now, some examples. Okay, adding ing to V1. So what are those? First one, buy. Buy plus ing. What it becomes? Yes, buying. Buying. Right. So cry. Cry plus ing. Then it is crying. Crying. Can you tell me answers like this? Eat plus ing. Hear plus ing. And sell plus ing. Tell me answers for this. Very good. Eat plus ing. Eating. Good. Hear plus ing. Hearing. Very good. Next one. Sell plus ing. Very nice. Selling. Sell plus ing. Selling. Right. Some more I am giving. Dance plus ing. What it becomes? Dancing. Good. Dancing. Next one. Hide plus ing. It is hiding. H-I-D-I-N-G. Nana. E never repeat here. Okay. So here if you see, for this as it is ing will add. But last vowel E is there na. That won't be repeat in the ing form when we write. Next one. Same. Make plus ing. So for this also I we don't write. Then it becomes making. M-A-K-I-N-G. Not E. Okay. And here I am writing some more. And shine. S-H-I-N-E. Shine plus ing. Yes, very good. Shining. Spelling S-H-I-N-I-G. This E we don't write it. Okay ma. Next one. Write. Write plus ing. Then it becomes writing. Spelling W-R-I-T-I-N-G. This E we can, it won't be repeat in the ing form when we add ing form. Okay ma. So next one you see here, whatever the last letter we have, that will be double. So for this, if we when we add ing, this letter should write 2. So that is cut plus ing. Cutting. C-U-T-T-I-N-G. C-U-T-T-I-N-G. Cutting. Next, get plus ing. Same. This T should will get 2 times, double letter. Getting. And put plus ing. Here also putting. P-U-T-T-I-N-G. P-U-T-T-I-N-G. Putting. And next one, sit plus ing. Sit plus ing. What it becomes? Sitting. Spelling S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Swim plus ing. Swim plus ing. Then it becomes swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. Swimming, right now. So like this, whatever some words, when we add ing, the letter will get 2 times. Okay. Some letters, especially E, if we have, when we add ing, that E will be omitted. That E will never repeat in the ing form of the word. Okay, Nana. So buy plus ing, buying. Cry plus ing, crying. Eat plus ing, eating. Hear plus ing, hearing. Sell plus ing, selling. And next, dance plus ing, dancing. Hide plus ing, hiding. Make plus ing, making. Shine plus ing, shining. Write plus ing, writing. Cut plus ing, cutting, 2 times. Double letter we get, cutting. And get plus ing, getting. Put plus ing, putting. Sit plus ing, sitting. And swim plus ing, swimming. So like this, when we get the add the ing, some words never change, some words letter may, sometimes the letter will add. Okay, Nana? Right? Did you understand? So shall we do some exercise on this? Yes, very good. So first write down all this and then I'll give some exercise on this. See, Nana, so the examples we have here, that is, fill in the blanks with ing form of the verbs given in brackets. So in the brackets, they have given the verbs. For this, we should write the ing form in these blanks, right? So for every sentence they have given that ing form we should write. See the first one, boys are dash in the river. So what are they doing in the river? They are, yes, swim they have given. So ing if we add, what it becomes? Swimming, right? What is the spelling? Boys are swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Very good. Swimming. Okay, so boys are swimming in the river. And see the next one, girls are dash in the park. What are they doing in the park? Skip they have given. So they are skipping. So spelling, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Double letter we get it now. So some words, skipping. Very good. Next one, she was dash a letter. What is she doing with the letter? That is, she was there. What do we have? Write. Write means ing. What we should write? Writing. So spelling, she was writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. That E we don't write here. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing a letter. Next one, they were dash a race. They were dash a race. So what are they doing there? They were, yes, run they have given. For this ing form, running. They were running a race. So running spelling, R-U-N-N-I-N-G. They were running a race. Race. Next one, I am dash my work. I am dash my work. What did they give? Begin. So just we are doing means I am beginning my work. So what can we write spelling? B-G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Beginning. Okay, ma. I am beginning my work. I am beginning my work. Right. So boys are swimming in the river. Girls are skipping in the park. She was writing a letter. They were running a race. I am beginning my work. I am beginning my work. Right, Nana? So these are the ing form of the words. Right? Clear this one? All of you write in your book. Yes, see children, so now we have the next part. It's a time to watch. Time to watch. What can you watch? Look at the picture and write 4 sentences based on it. So 4 pictures they have given, 4 sentences we should write based on this. What is this? First picture if you see, that is a girl is doing something with the hammer, wood, nails like this. What is that? Yes, in the second one she prepared some hut, nest. So house like that, and she painted that with red color, right? And see the third third picture, what do we have? She hanged that nest to the, yes, branch of a tree. And next step, what do we have? Yes, some birds are living in that nest, right? Very good. So will you also prepare like this? Very nice. You do this, and I'll give some sentence on this based on that picture. Write down all of you. So see the first picture, what do we have? Write the answer for this. There is a girl. There is a girl. Seeing the picture we should write na. So that's why there is a girl who is working. Who is working with hammer. Who is working with hammer. Hammer. Who is working with hammer. And another one, nail and wood. A girl is working with these three. What is she doing? She has made a small bird house. A small bird house. A small bird house, and painted with house and painted with which color? Very good, red color. Painted with red color in the second pic. And what did she do inside third one? The girl hanged the red bird house. Red bird house onto the branch of a tree. Right. And what is the fourth pic? So that we can write, a bird has made the redwood house. Has made the redwood bird house. As its house. So it has taken like its own house na. So that is. And see this one. There is a girl who is working with a hammer, nail and wood. So three she has in her hand. What did she do with them? She has made a small bird house and painted with red color. The girl hanged the red bird house onto the branch of a tree. Right? A bird has made the redwood bird house as its house. So that bird house she made into its house. So she started to live. The bird started to live in that na. So that is okay, Nana. So all of you write down in your book. See children. So the next one we have time to speak. This is your book. Okay, your time. I'm going to give the time to you. Divide the class into groups and encourage the students to talk about the importance of hard work. So every time you are asking, so madam, we want chance to speak everything. So now I am giving time to you. So after completion of this lesson, that is the 2 days time I am giving. After completion of this lesson, total grammar, I will give one class, I will give time to you. So prepare for this all of you, that is the importance of hard work. The importance of hard work. So different examples you can take it. Like a story also you can explain. So on that day I will make the total class into groups. So that means here only you can become the groups, and that group I'll keep it. So all of you be divided into 2 to 3 members as one group, and you prepare for the importance of hard work. So when I tell you at that time, you must give proper and suitable examples with a story. Okay, understood children? So prepare for that. Okay ma? Yes, let's do the next one. Yes, see children, so now in this, the next topic we have, it's a time to write. What can we write here? Yes, write a postcard to your friend. Postcard. Nowadays no one is using. At least try to write it. Okay, so write a postcard to your friend describing how you earned money. To help the street children. So in the street, so many children without having food, without clothes, like this they have. Na? So in the school also sometimes we give some pamphlets for the orphanage people. Yes, you collect the money. So at home you ask your neighbors, friends, family members, like that you collect. Na? Yes, how did you collect the money? That you should write a letter to your friend. Okay ma? So letter format you know. So that first you should write the letter anytime while writing. First we should write the date. So whenever you are writing that date, and here that is, suppose now place I am taking Hyderabad, and date also shall I write? So suppose shall we take 26 January, can we take na? 26/01/2020 can we write, or 21? Okay, 21 I am writing. So 26/01/2021. So general one I am taking. Okay, comma, date, comma, Hyderabad place, full stop. Okay, that is heading compulsory nana. Okay, and see the next one. So you are writing letter to your friend na? So that's why next line of Hyderabad we should write dear friend, comma, and then start the paragraph. Anytime whenever you write letter to your friend, so after long time we are writing letter, like that we should write. So write the answer. It has been quite some time. It has been quite some time since I have heard anything. From you. I have heard anything from you. So that means for the long time onwards, I didn't get any information from you too. So long time it is. Okay, from you. Okay, ma. And next one. Hope everything is fine with you. Hope everything is fine with you. Hope everything is fine with you. Next, in this letter, I would like to share some of my experiences. Spelling, take care nana. Be careful with the spelling. Experiences, EXPERIENCES. Some of my experiences of helping street children. Helping street children. Full stop. You know the problem of street children street children, the problem of street children is increasing day by day, is increasing day by day. Full stop. They have no home, no parents. They have no home, no parents to take care. No parents to take care. They don't go to school. They don't go to school. Right. I was moved by their pitiable condition and decided to help. I worked as newspaper boy. In the morning. I worked as a newspaper boy in the morning. This way, I earned money. And donated to an orphan center for street children. Okay, now. So I earned money and donated to an orphan center for street children. Right? So you have written, that's why here you should write with regards. In the last you should write with regards, comma. You do your signature, or in the exam we cannot write your name, na? That's why give the cross marks like that, intos like that instead of your name. Okay, ma? So, dear friend, it has been quite some time since I have heard anything from you. So long time we didn't get any information. So hope everything is fine with you. I hope all of you are fine there. And in this letter, I would like to share some of my experiences of helping street children. So we are helping the street children, so that I am sharing my experiences. What is that? You know, the problem of street children is increasing day by day. Yes, everywhere we can see these children, street children. They have no home, no parents to take care. So they don't go to school. So no home, no parents to take care means how can they go to school? No. So I was moved by their pitiable condition. So they are very pitiful position. So and decided to help. So I worked as newspaper boy in the morning. So this way I earned money. Morning newspaper boy means newspaper distribute to every house na. So that further they give money. Yes, I earned money and donated to an orphan center for street children. So wherever we have the street children center, orphan center, for them I donated. Okay, very great thing na? So you also you can share your experience like this what you have done. Okay ma? So all of you write this in your book. Yes, Seema, so the last topic in this lesson, that is the importance of hard work, time to do. That is the project work. Project work, you know na? So what to do here? You must have seen a small children working as daily labor at the construction sites. Yes, wherever the buildings they are constructing there, we see so many children they are working, right? So why do these children work at these places? Why do they work at those places? Yes, they have no money, they have no parents, or the parents couldn't afford anything. That's why they are doing, right? So what must be done to stop this? Yes, children cannot do work na. So how you are studying in the school, like that those also should study. But instead of that they are working there, means is it good? No. So how to stop this? Collect information and display in the notice board. So in the newspapers also, if you see, so many things we get it about the child labor who are working in the factories, factories or construction buildings like this. So about them, how to stop it, that they give some solutions or suggestions also. That kind of paper cuts, you collect it and paste it. Okay, paste it on the paper and write something about them. Okay ma? So that is your project work from this lesson, right? Will you do it? Yes, do it.